Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I'm going to be working on my NBS, my 2002 Chevy Silverado. She's filthy. I need to wash her today. But anyway, so just making a quick video. I'm replacing, I've already got started, the third door exterior handle. Both of them were broke. And just going to show you, a quick replacement and how to lube up the latches. I also got a window motor, the whole assembly with the little the frames, the sliders. So I'll show you how quick, just how to, and just a few tips here and there. But yeah, so these parts that I got are from 1A Auto. It's the TRQ brand. There's the part number for it. This is the right side, the passenger door. This is the handle that I was talking about. These things, I've had my truck probably about 7 months, and these have already been broke for the last 2 months or so. So I already went ahead and replaced the other side, the driver's side. There's my driver door handle. So this is the part number for the driver's side. I'll show you right quick. I sprayed some lubricant on it. I'll show you what I used. But man, it's a lot. It's night and day from what it was before. It shuts really nice too. Pretty solid. The two latches that I'm talking about, there's a bottom one here. I've already sprayed some lubricant. It's white lithium grease. I sprayed the bottom one. I sprayed the top one. Even, for the past couple of months, I've been using the inside door handle. And you would have to like push it and then like really. And now it's pretty simple. It's just, I don't know how well you can see it, but really easy. And these handles are made out of steel, whereas those old ones are plastic. So yeah, finally this would be the first video on the NBS, but really it's just making some small repairs here and there. My driver window has been working slow, going up, so I finally got online and and I bought these two handles, the door window regulator assembly. I bought that. I'll show you that here in a minute. But so yeah, real quick, this is it's that PB Blaster brand, white lithium grease. It says on the back, auto hinges and latches. So I just spray this on the top. I'll show you. This is what I was talking about on the interior handle. I'm already pushing it and nothing's happening, so I gotta really gotta mess with it, wiggle it. But this grease is really good. Just spray it, on the latch, on the part that kind of swivels. I just let this stuff set while I install the handle. The handle is pretty simple. It's gonna be a T27 Torx. These come out fairly easy. They're not attached really to anything. There's the old one. The old junk. So yeah, these new ones, hang on guys. So these new ones, I don't know if I had said it before, they have a metal handle versus the factory plastic ones. Looks like this one broke on the inside. So yeah, these just fall right into place. You just line up the screws and set it in. So another area that I forgot to mention to lubricate was before you stick the handle on the door, right behind this panel. You can see this area is got a probably like a spring right behind it. Let's see. Yeah, see that? So just by pushing it, I can already feel it's kind of tough. So just get some lubricant right back there just to kind of make it easier for the door to open. All right, let's try her out. That's a lot easier. On the inside, maybe it's just kind of wore. Still takes a little wiggling from this inside handle. On the outside, it's not. Doesn't take much effort. So there's the driver's side and the passenger side. I bought these off of 1A Auto. It's a TRQ product. I really like those products. I tend to buy most of my replacement factory parts from 1A Auto. I like them, so good prices as well. So let's get on to the window regulator. Hey guys, so it is another day. I regret I already installed the window. This is already like a week and a half later. But yeah, I ran out of time that day. I had to kind of rush things, and I installed the window. It didn't take me but maybe like 20-25 minutes. But I will refer you guys to the video that I watched, which was from TRQ. I'll leave a link to that video. But it's a really good video, detailed, and it's fairly simple to replace the window track assembly. Let me kind of just give y'all a quick rundown. It's on these 9902s. I think the door panels are a little bit different on how they're mounted. But I know there's a screw here. Right behind here, there's another screw. I think, let's see, right down here as well. And the rest is just unplugging this light, your electrical here, your speaker from the door panel, removing this piece here, and the panel comes off. And on the inside, there's really not a whole lot much left. It's pretty simple. Like I say, I'll leave a link to the video that I used. Like I said, it's TRQ. It probably takes you 20-25 minutes to remove your old window regulator assembly. 20 to 25 minutes to remove it, reinstall your other one, and it's a really good product as well. Like I said, I bought these parts from 1A Auto. So that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I was gonna do some other things, but I think I'll make another video on the next couple of things that I wanted to do to the truck. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.